Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SBFM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today was a rough day, and I'm going to offer up more perspective. I'm not going to say that the chart is totally destroyed, but I will say that the chart is the landscape is starting to shift here a little bit. And going into the day, everything was still perfectly fine. I mean, the price was still beautifully up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. But then today, the price is now not only broken down below that 50-period moving average, it's actually come down to that green line, which I've talked about previously as support, and broken and closed below there. Now, don't get me wrong, just because these have happened does not mean that for sure guaranteed the entire chart is now epically destroyed and the price is going back down to, a penny. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that at this point, you can't sit here and say that, wow, this is like the perfect looking uptrend. Going into today, it was a perfect looking uptrend. Like I said, you had the price so nicely up above that purple line, but that just isn't the case anymore. Again, doesn't mean the chart's totally destroyed, but like I said, landscape is changing. So I want to get a couple of the newest levels mapped out here from both the support and resistance angle. We'll start with areas of resistance on any sort of upwards movement. Key area of resistance to now watch is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 50-period moving average. And that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, if anybody, or if the price does start to work its way to the upside, 0.045 right now going to be that newest area of resistance. Again, just based on the foundational rule that levels of support tend to act as resistance. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, so if this movement continues to the downside, next key level to watch is going to be right down there around 0.023. So 0.023, next key area of support, 0.045 key area of resistance. The week is young, still 3 days left, so let's see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.